They're using the updraft from the water to stay adrift. So 4 types of albatrosses already. Look at that!
Whoa.
Oh, yes!
See water? Yeah.
Dude! Look at the nose on that thing. I don't know what to say. If you love birds, you gotta come here. Like, to see. Now, 5 types of albatrosses. Shearwaters, petrels, giant petrels. And they come right up to the boat. What a great day on the water. We had 5 types of albatross and all the other seabirds. They were so close to the boat, like 3 feet away. I could almost touch them.